Today we are looking at a nice Davis HD30 mixer. HD means heavy duty. This means that the unit can mix 4,000 pounds at 50 pounds per cubic foot density. We're doing a walk around of the unit. This unit was manufactured in 2020, so it is a really nice late model mixer. The red box holds the operation manual. This is looking at the serial tag on the unit. You can see that the serial number is 2020127. And there is the model HD30. You can see, looking at the drive system here, it has a nice heavy-duty gearbox and a nice ball door motor. This is looking at the motor tag. You can see the unit is equipped with a 25 horsepower, 3-phase, 208, 230, 460 volt electric motor. You can see that the unit is also equipped with a nice pneumatic discharge gate. I tested this gate and it works perfectly. This is looking at the top of the mixer. It has this nice grate over it so that the unit can be fed but is still safe. It's a factory built grate. Looking in, you can see the paddles there. Everything is in excellent shape. You can see the open door over on this end. Just a really nice mixer. Wanting to show you the inside. This unit is equipped with 4 heavy-duty lifting lugs on each corner of the unit. It is important to note that this unit must be picked up with these lifting lugs. You never pick up underneath, picking up on the tank. Always pick up from above with the lifting lugs. The mixing tank dimensions is 100 inches long, 51 inches wide, and 57 inches deep. The height to the top of the agitator is 52 inches. The discharge dimensions is 14 inch going in this direction and 16 inch going in this direction. The discharge height from here all the way down to the ground is 30 inches. The overall shipping dimensions is 125 inches long, 65 inches wide, and 91.5 inches high. The shipping weight of this unit is approximately 6,000 pounds. Here we have the unit running. Everything is in order and running as it should. It is nice and quiet. Looking at the inside. Overall, the unit is in excellent shape. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.